Hi, my name's Andrew. Welcome to this video, which is all about the best forex strategies to trade for profits. And what we're going to look at is not only the best strategies, we're going to look at strategies you should avoid as well. And the strategies to avoid are probably the most popular. But don't let that worry you, because 95% of forex traders lose. The first place I'm going to start in terms of the worst strategies are any that are connected with day trading or scalping. Day traders and scalpers don't make money. You hear a lot of people saying that they do, but they're mostly people selling day trading and scalping systems. Volatility in short-term time periods within a day or within a few hours are totally random, and any standard deviation test you do would show you this. Why do forex traders day trade? I think because basically they're gamblers, or they just fall for the myth of the action, being in there they're going to make money or hit the big one, but really they should go to a casino. They'll make more money and have more fun. Now, another strategy which I want to discuss, which is extremely popular, but it is total nonsense, is the Fibonacci number sequence. You'll see serious bankers, brokers recommend this as a good trading strategy. But let's just look at what Fibonacci actually was in terms of a strategy. And it wasn't a strategy at all. It has nothing to do with forex. It was done in 1202, I think, by an Italian guy called Leonardo Fibonacci. And the Fibonacci number sequence comes from a problem to do with the copulation of rabbits. And the basic formula comes from this. It's like if you have a pair of rabbits and they produce another rabbit, and then a month later you get a rabbit pair producing more rabbits, you obviously got increasing numbers of rabbits. Now you might be saying, what's that got to do with forex trading? The answer is absolutely nothing. It's complete nonsense. But today you will see people selling systems based upon Fibonacci. Apparently there's retracements in the number sequence which equate to universal law and all this sort of thing. If you take the retracements, just test them. They don't work. I mean, they work sometimes, but most of the time they don't work. On from Fibonacci, you've got two other scientific systems, which are GAN and Elliott wave theory. Both, again, say they can predict the future. You should try them because they'll be as accurate as your horoscope. They should be avoided. Now, the next bad trading strategy would be any forex trading robot, just generally, but specifically the ones that say they use artificial intelligence and neural networks to make money. That all sounds very complicated. It all sounds wonderful. But forex markets are simple. Artificial intelligence and neural networks, that's to do with science. Forex markets don't move to science. And you'll often see robots saying they can predict the future, or they've got artificial intelligence that's predicting where the markets are going to go and working really hard. Just to put this in perspective, I'll give you how far we are with artificial intelligence. The most sophisticated robot can actually fold a towel. And that's a major breakthrough done by the University of Berkeley, California. So you can see how far you are away from actually having a robot that can mimic a human. So avoid all this nonsense to do with robotic trading. Markets do not move to science. They only moved to the odds. So what we're doing is we're only dealing in probabilities, not certainties. Okay, so now we've trashed a few bad theories. What strategies work in the market? Well, I'm going to look at my two favourite ones here actually. And the first is, if you really want to make money in forex markets, there's one theory of market movement you should study, and it's Dow theory. Dow theory is terrific. If you understand Dow theory, you can build a system to make money. Now, I haven't got time to go through everything to do with Dow theory, but it's basically an odds-based an odds-based method of trading where there's no certainties, but it gives you some really fantastic insight into how the market is moving from accumulation to trend following to distribution, which you can trade for profit. So if you want to build a trading system, make sure you study Dow theory. Another great way of making money in forex trading is to trade breakouts. Breakout trading is simple. What do? You look at a currency, and if you're trading it, all you wait for is a break of resistance to a new high. All big trends start by breaking to new high in a bullish market and new lows in a bearish market. You just need to go with the breakout. Most traders won't do that because they want to buy the very low. Of course, when the breakout moves, they've missed it. But the odds are in your favor if you do this. It's a timeless way to make money, and any trader should study breakout trading. In this video, I've only got time to give you a couple of the best strategies, but if you study the two I've given you, you can make a lot of money with them. And all the ones that we mentioned before that, remember, they might be popular, the majority might use them, but the majority lose. Always remember, forex trading is an odds game. If you play the odds, you'll make money. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed my little look at the best forex trading strategies. Thank you.